Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are discussing how to cop and predicting the resale prices of the upcoming Nike Dunk Low Champ colors. So far, Nike has dropped a bunch of colorways of the Nike Dunk this year, such as the Kentucky Blue, Syracuse Orange, Brazil, and the upcoming University Red, which was supposed to drop on June 12th but got delayed. The Dunk releases are continuing with this orange and navy colorway deemed the Champ colors. This colorway is set to drop in sizes 4 through 15 on June 24th with a retail price of $100. Be aware that this is the official release date that Nike has placed on the Nike Sneakers app. However, there's a decent chance that these will be delayed as well, considering almost every other June sneaker drop has been delayed. To begin, I've heard a lot of complaints about this colorway, but personally I actually like this color a lot. However, compared to the rest of the Dunks I mentioned earlier, this has to be my least favorite as well. Although it is a vibrant and eye-catching colorway, it is not too easy to rock, and I think that's one of the main reasons a lot of people aren't too hyped about these. Jumping right into how to cop this shoe, this sneaker is going to be dropping on June 24th on the Nike Sneakers app and select Nike shops and boutiques across the country. The three main places I would recommend keeping an eye out for would be the Nike Sneakers app, the Cop Day app, and the stores announcing Raffle procedures on Instagram. I would suggest checking back for stores that drop some or all of the previous Dunks I mentioned at the beginning of the video, as they are likely to drop these as well. The Cop Day app will likely once again be used for raffles by a good amount of shops, so make sure to download the app and search for upcoming drops at your local skate shops and other boutiques through the app itself. Please remember that a lot of shops start raffles at random times of their choice and close them off very quickly, so each shop is going to have their own procedures to follow. Stores such as Undefeated, Sneakers and Stuff, Kith, and End Clothing, along with other Tier 0 retailers, will also be getting them and likely releasing them through draws on their own apps or Instagram links posted in their bios. Make sure to keep an eye on all the stores that I mentioned as the release date gets closer, and I will keep adding new information and a store list for you guys in the comment section of this video. Also, given that a lot of stores are reopening, they may conduct in-store raffles to draw traffic back into their stores, so check your local stores that usually get limited and hype drops for more information. Lastly, as with most releases, the Nike Sneakers app is currently set to drop these on June 24th at 7 AM or 10 AM Eastern Time on a first-come, first-served basis. The Nike Sneakers app will likely be your best chance of copying the sneaker, as they will carry the majority of pairs. Once again, I suggest going for half sizes, as less people will enter for half sizes and your chances of winning a raffle will be slightly higher. Having said all that, let's get into the resale predictions for this sneaker. Similar to the prior Dunks that have released this year, these will definitely sell out and sell for at least double their value. I see these going for between $200 to $290 depending on the size, being slightly lower than previous colorways. On the screen we have a full breakdown of the resale predictions for each size. Please note that these are just my opinions and I have based them off of how well certain sizes have done for prior Dunk releases. I anticipate that the best sizes are likely going to be 4 through 5.5, 8 through 10.5, and size 12.5. Over time, the most profitable sizes may shift, but for now, those will likely be the best sizes to flip. The prices listed reflect prices once all pairs are in hand and people can actually sell them. Immediately following the release prices always jump very high for a couple of days, then start settling down once pairs arrive in hand. Getting into selling or holding, in my opinion, these are a good long-term hold. People seem to be sleeping on this colorway, but I think opinions will change once people see the shoes in hand and on feet. Also, every prior Dunk has skyrocketed in price over the course of a few months, so I see more of the same happening here. These might take a bit longer to rise, but in about 4 to 6 months, these will probably reach around $350 and up, which would be a good time to sell them. So if you're not in a rush to sell, hold on to these, as the upside is way higher than the risk of the value decreasing. Once again, I want to clarify everything I stated in this video is just my opinion, so please do what you see fit best. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you.